Tow mode on the Tesla Model Y is a crucial setting to activate when transporting the vehicle. It disconnects the electric motors and brakes, allowing the car to be moved without causing damage to the drivetrain. This is especially important for an all-wheel drive EV like the Model Y, as improper towing can lead to costly repairs and void the warranty. Without tow mode, the electric motors can overheat or sustain damage from wheel rotation. The primary method of transport recommended by Tesla is flatbed towing. This lifts the entire vehicle onto a flatbed truck using ramps or a winch, ensuring all wheels are off the ground and preventing any rotation that could damage the electric motors. Always activate tow mode and use flatbed transport for safe Tesla Model Y towing to avoid damage and maintain warranty coverage. Unlike gasoline vehicles, electric vehicles like the Tesla Model Y lack the transmission fluid that normally circulates during towing to lubricate and cool components. Without activating tow mode, the rotating wheels can force the electric motors to function improperly, generating excessive heat that can cause severe damage to the vehicle's components. Additionally, the regenerative braking systems in electric vehicles can engage unintentionally while towing, trying to convert the kinetic energy from wheel rotation back into electricity, which further exacerbates the strain on the motors. Activating tow mode solves these problems by disconnecting the electric motors and applying the parking brake, preventing any improper functioning and ensuring the vehicle can be safely transported. To activate tow mode, first enter the vehicle with your key fob or phone. On the touchscreen, navigate to Controls, then Service, and finally select Towing. A prompt will appear. Confirm to disable the drive systems and engage the parking brake. Ensure the vehicle is in park and the charge port is unlocked if plugged in. This process takes approximately 30 seconds. Tesla strongly recommends flatbed towing as the safest method for transporting the Model Y. This involves lifting the entire vehicle onto a flatbed truck using ramps or a winch, eliminating the risk of motor damage that can occur when wheels rotate on the ground. The lifting process uses ramps or a winch to safely elevate the vehicle. Professional tow operators ensure all four wheels and the chassis are properly secured with straps to prevent any movement during transport. Key safety guidelines include maintaining transport speeds below 65 miles per hour and ensuring the battery remains above 20% charge to support auxiliary systems. Avoid sudden stops and perform a system check after transport. Flatbed towing protects the electric motors and maintains warranty coverage while ensuring the Model Y arrives safely at its destination. Roll towing, using a car dolly to lift either the front or rear wheels, is officially not recommended by Tesla for the Model Y due to its all-wheel drive configuration. Attempting this method can lead to drivetrain damage and may void your warranty. While some third-party modifications exist, Tesla advises against roll towing in their owner's manual updates. For example, incidents have led to repair bills up to $12,000. When transporting the Model Y, maintain a speed below 65 miles per hour, which is approximately 105 kilometers per hour. This helps prevent stress on the vehicle's systems during transport. Avoid sudden stops during transport. Smooth braking helps prevent unnecessary strain on the vehicle's components and ensures a safer transport process. Regularly monitor the vehicle for any signs of overheating. The electric motors and battery can generate heat during transport, so keep an eye on temperature indicators. Ensure the battery has at least a 20% charge to power auxiliary systems like lights during transport. This maintains essential vehicle functions. After transport, perform a complete system check using the Tesla mobile app or at a service center to reset any error codes and ensure everything is functioning properly. Real-world examples demonstrate the critical importance of activating tow mode before transporting a Tesla Model Y. One case involved a Texas owner who attempted roll towing without tow mode, resulting in severe motor damage. In contrast, Hertz, a Tesla rental company, successfully transported over 5,000 Model Y vehicles using flatbed towing and proper tow mode activation. This approach significantly reduced setup time and virtually eliminated transport incidents. The future of EV towing is evolving with automation. Tesla's full self-driving updates may integrate tow mode with autonomous towing systems by 2027. The industry is also seeing a rise in hybrid tow trucks powered by electricity to reduce emissions, alongside AI-driven diagnostics to auto-detect tow mode violations. As EV adoption grows from 10 to 15% of new vehicles, specialized and safe towing practices will become increasingly crucial, with predictions that 50% of vehicle transports will involve EVs by 2030.